First, we begin by measuring and marking the tub using a tape measure and a template. Masking tape is then added to prevent the tub from splintering when we cut it. We begin cutting by using a grinder to create an entry point. Then we use a reciprocating saw to cut out the rest. To avoid blade pinch, the top of the tub walls are cut last. Then we remove the cutout portion and some of the surrounding insulation to add our supports. Next, we cut a wood block to fit into the tub threshold. This is used to strengthen the tub wall and to support the walk-in insert. The block is leveled and solidly secured to the tub. Next, we cut the sidewall templates. We use white cardstock to trace the wall shape of the tub for our walk-in insert. We mark the template on the insert. It's important before proceeding that we break off the blade so it's no longer than 2 inches so we don't damage the insert. Next, we cut the insert to fit the contour of the tub. Finally, we secure the insert with screws and use caulking in order to create a waterproof seal.